Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data science. To start, clearly define the problem you aim to solve. This initial step is paramount as it guides your entire data science journey. For instance, are you trying to predict customer churn or optimize a marketing campaign? Having a well-articulated question, perhaps one that can be answered with a simple yes or no, will help you focus your efforts and ensure your analysis yields actionable insights, saving you valuable time and resources. Once your problem is defined, the next critical step is gathering and cleaning your data. You might collect data from internal databases, external APIs, or publicly available repositories. After collection, dedicate significant effort to cleaning. This involves addressing missing values, correcting errors, and standardizing formats. For example, ensuring all dates are in a consistent format, like YIMMDD, is vital. Remember, even a small percentage of dirty data, say 5%, can significantly skew your results, making thorough cleaning indispensable. With clean data in hand, you can now move to analysis and modeling. Start with exploratory data analysis to uncover hidden patterns and correlations. Visualize your data using charts and graphs to gain initial insights. Then, choose a suitable model. For prediction, you might use a regression model, or for classification, a decision tree. Train your model on a portion of your data, perhaps 70%, and validate it on the remaining 30% to ensure its robustness and predictive power. Finally, interpret your results and communicate your findings. Understanding what your model tells you is key to answering your initial problem. Create compelling visualizations, such as interactive dashboards, to present complex information in an easily digestible format. For instance, a clear bar chart showing the top 5 factors influencing customer retention can be incredibly impactful. Your goal is to translate these insights into clear, actionable recommendations that empower decision-makers to implement data-driven strategies and achieve desired outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.